Still typing /imagine into Discord and waiting on a queue? On MUAPI, you can call Midjourney V8, V7, and Niji with a single API request and get 4 images back every time. Here's how it works. MUAPI hosts all 3 Midjourney tiers: V8 for the sharpest, most prompt accurate results, V7 as the reliable classic, and Niji tuned specifically for anime and manga art. Every single run returns 4 images with full control over stylize, chaos, weirdness, and aspect ratio. All 3 run at 10 cents a request, sitting right next to the other 250 plus models already on your MUAPI key, so Midjourney slots into the same pipeline instead of needing its own separate integration. Head to muapi.ai/midjourney. You'll see V8, V7, and Niji, each with its own model page and example request. Grab an API key from your dashboard's Access Keys tab. The secret only shows once, so copy it before closing the model. One post request, your prompt, an aspect ratio, and a stylized value if you want more artistic flair. Hit the V8 endpoint and you get a request ID back immediately. Poll the predictions endpoint with that ID. Once status flips to completed, you get all 4 images back in one response like these, straight off the API. What's notable here is you get this without touching Discord at all. No bot commands, no waiting in a shared queue, just a request and a response. If you're automating anything that needs this look, that's the difference that actually matters. Full docs and your API key are linked below at muapi.ai/midjourney. If you've been wanting Midjourney in a pipeline, this is how you get there. Subscribe for more model API walkthroughs.